Fantastic morning. I was here. I'm good evening. Some network live. Badwam so na pay, and of course they be a catch you. Say ya ni sia konkon se ni agye ho bambam ba na yoyoyo eye wala natural mineral water amoken ho na ye de ensem no ebra sa na ade ade a eno so danche ai say Jomanocho and Bernard Paddy Botwe na me producers a brevia many mo bade ensem no ede eba Fanankasa kake juana Erica Sirubueri. Ebesha say at the UEFA Champions League and Barca winning over Bayern Munich and Leverkusen. Right and say ne sane won some CT and right in the UEFA Champions League Atletico Tifima Lille born by a goal to nil. Say na table nesia quiet. Now Aston Villa on top with 9 points. Liverpool second, 9 points. Man City third, 7. AS Monaco also fourth with 7 points. Brest also num 7. Insigne by Leverkusen with 7 points. Inter Milan 7th with 7. Sporting Lisbon 8th with 7 points. 9th Arsenal and a 10th Barcelona. We are top 10 on the table of the Champions League, the new Champions League. This is and they are in the top 8 qualify automatically to the next round. No one maka so Ebano and so Akko playoff the Abba. So we show more likes of Barca and Real Madrid. Madrid are 12 table also with 6 points after 3 games. Into no one samana that they banner and then Okomu Ekopimo and Zanfufuma na Europa League and so Barca interesting fixtures there and I'm for any Manchester United versus Jose Mourinho's Fenerbahce. And United former players they be all Fred or Amrabat or and then you say Mourinho. I'm gonna hear some between I do and all the biggest game I heard about so Karabakh and I asked neighbor Roma and then Dynamo Kiev and of course FC 20 after on Safra Lazio, now Leon and then Besiktas about Tottenham is at Akma and on the other games be done about Barca in the Europa League and the Conference League. Wala national mineral water the Asia konkon yere nsam no ebrewo yefio na yebehwede yekoso Ghana national teams ahodo no akashi and 20 the black satellite enra Ghana yetumi qualify ekoyanim akohwese yebetumi nya yen opponents in the next round of the competition enra yebo 1-1 with Togo the host nations they say you share the results about so and abra Cote d'Ivoire and Burkina Faso at the PIM so na RSA betumi qualify akọ yanimwa we aya hosesation ko a ye hwe say a qualification e wo no a ehu a ye de beko the AFCON yes ye wafudie but wo mo beko final no betumi qualify for the AFCON yen ko rest na Ghana ne Togo game no sikoye Okay, so 1-1 or the Black Satellites game anymore. Coach Desmond Affair, head coach at the Matter Satellites, and in ceremony.
The first hurdle in every tournament is a qualification to the semis, and we made it. So now all focus on the semis. Want to congratulate Togo. They fought really hard for this. It wasn't easy at all, and our boys did well, and we are very happy that we are in the semis. We are not playing alone. It's not 11 against 0. It's 11 against 11. And once again, I want to congratulate Togo because they set up they had a really good setup, and we find it very difficult to play football today. I think tiredness, I'm not looking for an excuse, but I think tiredness have something to do with it. But in the end, we are happy with the draw, and we are looking forward to the semis.
We and someone coach Desmond Ofere to Jawala natural mineral water yes sponsor Shannon Sumami chairman of the parliamentary select committee on youth and sports tourism soccer home honorable Kobi Mensa the same kakra ba betudwa kire se Ghana football ana pinchin ewo mu ne hadwen pa o se se echi obi se o ye gidigidi e wa gudi ni mu a e se ban no ye ma ne kwan kra ma ne ngura stadium enko hwebo ne bi last week Asante Kotoko ene Samatters game bibisa ekokosi ya no nti ne papa yi ene sansa matudwa sa ade e betu ase no ene se ye nsa be so nipa mu ni atwe nipa so.
Football can be taken on a particular instance, and then you look in totality what pertains or what are germane, what are the key issues. It could be refereeing. And if it's about resource, with about capacity, that can be the main topic. Key people from within and without can come and deliver speeches and maybe papers. And then maybe we look at how we can improve on the resources. And then probably that may be a call on government to also support the FA. Are you getting it? Because if you look at this year's manifestos of these two parties, all are saying we will support the football in totality. And I was thinking that with the government in power, they should have started now without even waiting, because these are low-hanging fruits. So these are matters that are key. For information, a group of MPs are coming together to put a private members bill to look at hooliganism at many of these stadia. Because things that will bring these things together, because I think it could be cured by law, and to an extent, we'll make sure it finds expression in our report, so that at least we will not rely on the current criminal code studies to say we want to anybody who is found culpable by assaulting or maybe verbally abusing or whatever, but we should be able to tailor our laws for the industry, in particular football and all that pertains, including your safety on the field of this. I think that is key.
Yankwasen Fofromo, Yakopimo, war the National Paralympic Committee, Epeni Ura Samson Dean. What a photo shown Konama Federation says, Shana Sina, and I say disciplines that Shana Sina, so more when now. Bibiania, Omama Federation, Ashanti, and yes, Omama to Warama say discipline way association. I say this is I had dream pay. A future the money.
Qualification for para sports begin immediately after the end of a Paralympic Games. There are a lot that we have learned. This is the time to focus on you, the federations. Be honest to the MPC board and let us stay away from favoritism by making sure that we give the athletes the needed support, the needed attention, and make sure that we qualify all the sporting federations that participate in the Paralympic program that the United States as a host nation will select for LA 2028.
So National Paralympic Committee for Makache Nene Yoma to Abadi new leadership. Na Deputy Sports Minister Honorable Evans Opoku Bobie and what they want to Abamo money na Atolin Seb no Casachela was a Mohemu so you. My Badwam Badwam.
It's the wish of the ministry that new leadership will work hard to restore all outstanding issues and seek to unite all the rank and file of the para-Olympic family towards a common cause, which is the development and promotion of para sports, and to ensure that persons with disabilities participate on an equal basis in sporting activities in this country. The ministry continue to collaborate with the MPC Ghana to support various para sports programs as well as athlete teams to attend and participate in international competitions and games.
All right, and some honorable Deputy Sports Minister to Jashan so mama say wala natural mineral water na yenom or the Joy Sports Invitational Tournament this weekend or the University of Ghana Stadium enti Shannon so for mama pacho obi invited. Games are hot draw because so ball me na me bo captain some band yaba multimedia team no so aho nyasam keto me wie pe me ko huri high jump me wie pe ma two long jump me wie na ma crown ni nyina up with eating competition because me do on my bread esa me didi na me ye but eating competition ma mon fire skin kini ade nsi ho ma ho what I say eating competition fufu aben kwan nam ne ade na ke say eating eating competition brodo bare apple na ye mpe apple eating competition ni abre ni ye bedie aha nti mo fa fufu ni aben kwan mra na ye mfa nya eating competition ye share all the University of Ghana Stadium and wala natural mineral water o ye sponsors now manya messages kakra say kwan bia so matade na fe yes say image wear and a share matade na Mr. Kwache fantastic money go now to 0546 452111 0546 452111 and man be nyina happy nti man san count there across social media image wear GH check them out. Now mon soto out pania dia Sergio Manocho Bernard Padibo twe me producers ma fa Africa nyina bo mebo keji waran kasa ni Erica Siedu bwedi